Vix Cat. Careful around the corners. Side by sides, other riders, who knows? Ooh, that's got a sand dune-esque. So far this does not feel like a black diamond. I watched videos, it didn't seem like a black diamond on video either. So we'll see. Just came from the Brome's trails, which were blue. I mean, maybe because it's more exposed, maybe that's why it's considered black diamond, even though the actual riding doesn't seem to be particularly difficult. Oh, okay. I say as it starts getting a little bit more steep and stuff. Checking my running buddies coming with. This is actually a little bit more. This is more gnarly for sure. Like the tight turn, sandy on an incline decline. Okay. Definitely a bit gnarly of a turn. So I officially take back my comment about about the comparison with the blue trails. Especially on a heavy bike. Like most of the stuff here I would feel like I would be kind of okay doing on 890 nowadays if I needed to, but it's a bit sketch. That kind of stuff as well. Like, just like it's such a pain dropping it, and then it's all sandy, hard to come back. You know. West Freeman. Okay, so where are we going? Looks like we are going